Let's hello again. This is BMW X3 with 9-inch Android. Let's make illumination of the buttons to be the same like original. Go to General, search for the Lantern settings, stop auto function, then put amber and make it to be okay, something like that, like an original one. Okay, steering wheel is okay. This model is with the system about device. It's Android 15, the latest best Android navigation. HD screen 720p, octa-core CPU, 1.6 GHz, 4 GB memory RAM, 64 GB internal storage. That's it from us. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Subscribe to the channel, like and share video. That is helping us. If you need Android navigation or other audio upgrades, contact us. We will make it. See you again. Thank you.